finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years.
Whether it is 2020 is unforgettable year to all. Yes, the cricket fans have 2020 is a unforgettable year. Yes, Dhoni is retired from the international cricket matches. He not participate any international matches in yesterday onwards. The way of retirement is different from others. He post Instagram in a song of Kabhi Kabhi movie reflect Dhoni's mind. He saying the song saying that I am a poet of second two. There is a better poet before and after me, and not way of remembering me because world is busy. The mindset is very humble to all. Dhoni has have negative comments like announcement today that today will be pay off or tomorrow not able to play or many negative comments is there. Shockingly, yesterday is announced that Dhoni is retired and saying that thank you for love and support of 1929 hours. He mentioned it. The news comes itself. The crow of peoples are pain comes. Captain is important. All have seen a biography of Dhoni. Each and every six the coach give 50 rupees to him and cricket and go to the cricket ticket keeper and is saying that I want to become a cricketer. Many of them say that not a cricket style it is because the helicopter shot is not played by others. They knew to others and not fit to cricketer. Neglecting him, all loss is coming to this man. It is resemble a middle class life representing his life. Middle class life want to success in life. It may have many blocks he faced and he became a successful man. In a World Cup over, the Sachin give a salute to the Dhoni. Many fans are there. There are many fans in there of Dhoni's. One person, how he lived, we want to say means you are asking means in that we can see how much crowd it forms means he resembles a good character or bad. People will climb that, but the Dhoni announced that he retirement. Social media in fire, saying that please do not go. He were not going anywhere. He was only retiring, but many people are saying that please no, don't go. And he was always playing in the IPL, but international Jesse will be not there. But feelings is there. Sachin is a favorite player of all. The next, he replaced Dhoni replaced all favorite characters, especially in a last over. One country want to defend from the tradition is the captain is important. The dead over in a dead over, the last over, the player not stand and the Dhoni will stand. Maybe lose or fail, lose or success. It, it Dhoni will play. It is a cricket. It is a game that time surrounding and airfall will be change the result. But Dhoni in a clam set was a responsible man. He he great he have a great loss to cricket. He in 2014 he retired from the test match and Dhoni in 2019 Dhoni is ground in ground international players international match is going on with New Zealand. Many criticism is there. He neglected because we have many fans are there. The lose, the loss will be means of surrounding and times not favor him. But the one word will be come in mind. That is Captain Cool. It is only for a Dhoni. The many disturbance will become, but the simply he will be smiles, decision making, stepping and is important, and umpire saying that not wicket, but the Dhoni will be saying only 1 second, but saying that that is wicket. That is the confidence of Dhoni. All people want to learn from him. Dhoni announced a retirement. Many people have cried. Many people have saying that not to leave. It is a good person than a cricketer. Mentioning he have spent many times with families and have a lot of money, but spending in time with the family is important. He not forgotten of his family. Dhoni's clamness, that is failure or win situation. He became a clam in mind. All things we know. Anger also is shown by the clam feeling. You asking that you speaking about cricketer for why for India he played and for he have a trust of 130 crores of people. He have brave and many people are inspired Dhoni. When the Raina also retiring from this retired international match, when Dhoni and Raina comes in mind because of IPL and CSK, the Chennai Super Kings, we remember. Even not even 1 hour is gone, but the Dhoni retired and all the Raina also retired from this international match. The World Cup trophy, he got many trophies. That a successful man. That is World Cup, Champion Trophy, and 2020 many other. He got many mistakes, average, and decision making is important for the Dhoni's mind. Sushant Singh Rajput is has acted in the Dhoni's life and gone. The same feeling is in the peoples who when the cricketer Dhoni retired from this international matches. He played he played 538 matches, 1,770, approximately 1,700 matches are played, and strikers are runs are got, and strikers 270 the centuries still. The 50 is commanded and wicket is 709 and stumping is 200 and catches is 634. Will be stinky dish, but the history is for 15 years history. All player want to read studies history and pitch to catch is how they played and what they played. All player want to study. The age may be increased, but people saying that not to leave. That is a relationship between fans and a man. That is chance will be not get for all. The respectful Dhoni is getting this red, having this responsibility, and many he have many lot of money from his IPL matches. He selected highly great salaries in the field. Dhoni is first. He show his talents and got his money, not cheating by cheating. Dhoni is role model for all. All miss elite couple shot from Dhoni. Anyway, the Dhoni and Raina is retired from international matches.